PhD student at the Department of Earth Sciences at University of Toronto, and this is Mili across the Andes. The Andes are a subduction type orogen, which means that the Nazca plate is being pulled underneath the South American plate, which leads to the uplift of this mountain belt through time. In the heart of the southern central Andes, a bend in the mountain occurs, which is called the Maipo orocline. Here, something unusual happens. Despite less tectonic compression and higher topographic peaks, exhumation rates are higher, which means that the rocks are rising faster than expected. When we think about typical mountain belts, crustal processes are the main controlling rising topography, but here, rainfall, rivers, and erosion might be still in the spotlight. So, with that in mind, I had a question. Is climate affecting the way that the Andes grow? Come with me to try and solve this mystery. Let's take a quick trip from Toronto to Santiago, where our adventure begins. Hi again, this is me, in the field. And my mission as a geologist is to trek across remote ridges between Chile and Argentina, collecting structural and lithological data, and of course, getting rocks. Once I'm back in the lab, I get my rocks and crash them into smaller rocks to get apatites, a mineral that records Earth's hidden thermal history. The apatites can record how a rock went from inside the crust to the surface where I collected. This is called a thermochronological path. We will analyze these samples to construct how and when these mountains were uplifted and eroded. And of course, I'm not doing it alone. I have a great team of international geoscientists, educators, and students, pushing boundaries, sharing science, and inspiring the next generation. Join us in this journey through the bones of the earth and the breath of the sky to understand how mountains rise, but also how they change. So, see you soon in the next episode of Mili Across the Andes.